Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about control statements in Go language. Control statements are called selection structure. In some situations, we want to select a statement on the basis of condition. If the condition is true, then display this message or then execute this code, otherwise execute this code. Like here is the condition. If the condition is true, then if true statement execute this block, and if condition is false, then execute this block of code. Here is the types: if statements, if else, if, nested if, switch statement. So first of all, we are going to implement if statements. Simply create a variable, as you know, 10, and here is the if condition, like a modular operator is equal to 0, then 10 is the even number, like a is even. Run the program. A is even. So if I change value of a, then run the program, nothing is here. So if statement contains only single block of code, else if a is not even number, then obviously a will be odd number. So display here a is odd, and a is even. So this is all about if else statement. In this condition, a modular operator 2 is equal to 0. Modular operator returns remainder. If remainder is 0, then obviously a is even number, and if remainder is other than 0, then a is. Suppose a company wants to accept application of the applicant whose age is 25 or above, otherwise application will be rejected. So for this task, create a variable age, and I suppose age is 25, and here is the if condition: age is equal to or greater to 25, and display the message that you are accepted. Run the program. You are accepted, otherwise else fmt println sorry, you are rejected due to age condition. Run the program. If you change the value of age, sorry, you are rejected due to age condition, and like this you will get error. This is like this way, and you can put braces or not, like that way. And if age is like 50, you are accepted. Thank you for watching this video.